Hi everyone, my name is Chloe and today I'm gonna show you my top 5 favorite red lipstick. Since Valentine is around the corner, I thought this video would be appropriate. So I hope you enjoy. So the first red lipstick is a Charlotte Tilbury red lipstick in Walk of Shame. And you can wear this easily from date to night. It's a very easy red to wear. Okay. It's a matte formula with a little shine in it. It's not too dark. It's not too in your face. So that's why you can wear it from day to night. The second lipstick that I'm gonna show you is True Red by Fenty Beauty called Uncensored. I'm gonna put it on. And the trick to this is once you apply it, you want to use the Q-tips and quickly go over the line and blur it out so it doesn't look too harsh. One thing I forgot to mention about this lipstick is that the formula dries really quickly, so you have to work fast. And even though it's a liquid lipstick, it does transfer and smudge a little bit, so you have to be careful. The third red lipstick would be from Chanel number 98 Coromandel. It's an orange red lipstick, which I'm gonna show you right here. It's a satin formula. The next lipstick would be Giorgio Armani in 201, and this is a brown red. Since this Giorgio Armani lipstick tends to smudge a little bit, we're going to use a brush and a translucent powder to mattify the lipstick so it doesn't smudge. Put it over our lips. Do you see how the powder take away the shine of the lipstick? The last one is from Burberry number 405. This is a beautiful red for sweater weather. It's a little bit of brown, orange, and red. So that's it. Please let me know what was your favorite color in the comment section below. And please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.